Today I'm going to be teaching you the three basic statistics methods: mean, median, and mode. So whenever you're trying to get any statistic, I advise you to rearrange. So I'm going to put everything from smallest to biggest. Okay, that's a 4, 5. These two are 5s, 8, and 9. Okay, it looks like I arranged it. That's a good habit to have. Next, we're trying to get mode, which is basically total everything divided by total frequency. How many numbers do you have? So I'm going to add everything. I'm doing it in Excel, so it's easier. Now that I've added everything, I want to know how many numbers there are. So if I count those numbers, I should get 13 numbers. Now to get mean, you just take the total, 48, and then you want to divide by 13. Again, you can type all of this in your calculator. I'm doing it in Excel because it's easier for me to show. Now if you want to learn Excel, just press equals, and then there's this average function, click it, and then select your range. You can see that we got the same thing. So we're right. Next, we want to find median. What is the median? Well, it's the middle number. Where's the middle number? You know what? I'm gonna highlight every time as I count. There's another way, but we're gonna, since we only have a small sample set, a small range, I'm gonna count on the 1. So 3 numbers here, 3 numbers from the bottom. Another 3 numbers, another 3 from the bottom, and voila, our middle number is 3. So median is 3. Again, there's an Excel formula for median. I just have to select that and then pick my range, which verifies that I am right again. Okay, now mode. What is mode? Basically, it's the one that appears the most. We call it the highest frequency. So, which one appeared the most? Let's count the ones. Here we have 4, and then 2s we have 1, 3 we have 2, 4 we have 1, 5 we have 3, 8 we have 1, 8, 9 we have 1. So clearly 1 appeared the most. Our mode is 1. You can also use an Excel formula, equals mode, and then select your range. You have 1. There we go. What if your data is a lot? How can you do it in Excel? Well, we can do the COUNTIF function. COUNTIF here, and then comma, we want a 1. So that's 4 ones. Okay, so number 1, there we go. I'm gonna put it on the side here, just so it's easier for everyone to see. So number 1, we have 4 of them. Maybe, yeah, like that. Number up here, frequency right here, and then I'm gonna pick this number. So 2, and then you can see if I drag the formula, there's 1, 2, which is right. And then I have a 3, I have a 4, I have 5, 8, and 9. So if I drag the formula by double clicking, it will tell me how many of each number I have. So clearly 1, I have 4 of that. This is the mode. Further verifying that I'm right. Yep, that is all for today. Thank you. Bye-bye.